Thank you, Mansa. Good evening to all the dignitaries of Dais. Good evening to one and all over here. Good evening. Wow, that sounds great. As Madam has already said, I won't take much of time. In life, we have to proceed, we know. So, there are 3 words in the dictionary which is very important, which starts with seed. No, don't take me wrong, it's not S-double-E-D, it is C-double-E-D. The first is succeed, then proceed, and you exceed. These 3 words you should remember in your life, and you will surely excel in your life. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening and enjoy the day. Thank you.
To invite our Bachpali Higher Principal Sir. Our Bachpali Higher Principal Sir, Mr. Ramlu Sir, to give a speech. So let's welcome him with a big round of applause.
Honorable and dynamic Primary Director, Mrs. Rajlakshmi Madam Garu, and all respected principals, Principal of Pragati Nagar, Lakshmi Narayan Madam, and Primary Geetanjali Principal, Suchitra Madam, and all the respected teachers of Bachpali Geetanjali Higher Branch, and loving children. A very good evening one and all. All the children, a very good evening one and all. 10th class, raise your hands. 10th class, I would like to see 10th class children, raise your hands. Looking so colorful and cheerful. Okay, with the different styles. 9th class children, raise your hands. 9th class, they are in other work. So today is a very auspicious day, as 10th class students are taking farewell from 9th class students. So generally in every school it is a custom to have a farewell, to give farewell to the 10th class students by 9th class students, and 10th class children will be giving farewell to the teachers. Okay, so since morning onwards, the 9th class and 10th class children are preparing very well to come with colorful dress, okay, and to get the blessings from the principals as well as well-wishers, and from the teachers and from their friends. So definitely you will be getting the blessings, the children, so no doubt about it. So on this occasion I would like to suggest few words for 10th class students. Dear children, you know, school life is a golden life because the children are treated with a plain mind, which can be called as a tabula rasa. That means whatever you write on the plane of paper, that will be printed. So children will be very pure in mind and committed in work, commitment in work. Okay, so the main role of children will be to listen to their elders, to their teachers, and to follow them on toto. I have worked in so many schools since 1996 as a mathematics teacher, as a physical science teacher, and I worked for 5 to 10 years in various corporate schools. I observed so many children, but I find a very disciplined children in Geetanjali Higher Branch. No doubt you are very
Wow, it's a great round of applause.
So heartfully I congratulate and my heartiest applause to all the children. Let us all applause ourselves with a great round of applause.
Come on, my dear friends, clap for yourself.
I thank the chairman of Geetanjali Institutions, P. Srinivas Rao sir, and academic director Rajlakshmi Madam Garu, who set up this type of disciplinary situations in the school. So many of them are from primary only. So I think there was a major role by the primary principal also in imparting such a disciplinary instructions in the children's minds. So thank you, madam. Thank you, madam, for imparting such a disciplinary activities in the students. So that is leading them forward. Okay. Now I think, especially for 10th class children, listen. I think I am the first person. I am the first person who scolded you people very much. Every day, since morning to evening 9 o'clock, get ready for the breakfast, get ready for the classes, go and sit in the classes, start reading, don't roam outside, don't wander in the corridors, start writing, start learning. And I might have used harsh words also, children. So, all these words, what are the words, harsh words which I used, that is for your good sake only. Yeah, a group of children just talking there. Dinesh, Uday Kiran, Sai Krishna. I think I expect your attention here. Attention means not standing and putting the legs together. Attention means concentrating on the words what we say here. Because these are the final words which we can give you in a function. And I think this is the final function for the 10th class students in their lifetime. So, few children like Sai Krishna, Uday Kiran, Banu Varma, and Srikanth Reddy, Yashwant Nayak, Rahul Rathod, and who else? Rajmohan and Vedpal, Dheeraj. All these children, I think I have scolded you many times, right? See, there is a small story. There is a small story. There is a stone. There is a stone. It is in the hands of a sculptor. The sculptor is started making it a good idol. So he started hitting the stone with a hammer. Certain part of a stone have broken down and left in the ground. And the parts of that stone which tolerated all those hittings by the sculpture and became like a good idol, and that is kept in the temple, and it has been praised by so many people like a god. The same way, the stone which has broken down and it is arranged at the steps of the temple on which everybody is stepping and entering into the temple. In the same way, the student or a person who is tolerating the pains, who is tolerating the tough situations, who is bearing the strict instructions by the elders or principal or teacher or whoever it may be, they will be praised later. No doubt. So it happens. So I suggest all the students have patience and listen to your elders, listen to your well-wishers, listen to your parents, listen to your friends who are say you good. It's very important for your life. To succeed in your life, your hard work, commitment, sincerity matters a lot. Though you are getting 99%, if you are not with a good attitude, nobody will care you. Nobody will care you in the society. If you lose wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if the character is lost, everything is lost. So one should have with good character. Nowadays what happens, if children are admitted in the school, they don't know why they are admitted in the school. they don't know what they are reading, they don't know what are they doing. By the time of 10th class, they could not aver it. And in intermediate, just because of one friend is taking MPC group, he'll be taking MPC group. If his friends take BiPC, he'll take BiPC. After completing his education career, if he is unable to get any job opportunity, then he'll be in trouble and he'll be thinking, why did I get this? Why did I choose this type of group, and why did I study this one? There are no opportunities like that. So, 10th class children, 10th class, Bhanu Varma, I expect your attention here. 9th class children, can you move sometime from there? Rahul Rathod, please be seated. So, listening is very, very important, children. Intermediate is a very dangerous period where the life is turned into positive and negative. So, if you are in right track, if you are with a good attitude in intermediate, definitely you will be succeeding in your life. If you are taking intermediate very easy, definitely you will be in miserable situation. Okay? So I hope all the children will take all the good group, that is very good, a right group which is suitable for you, and you will be succeeding in your life. Okay? And at the last, I would like to suggest few things and close this speech. I come across so many students, even in 10th class, after they getting married, after they are with the good children also, they have suffered with so many problems. Life is a compromise in all the situations. If anybody is getting any, very trouble, very disappointment, don't go into depression. And I could see in newspapers that so many people are getting suicide. Okay? So, if anybody is, unfortunately, I think none of our children will get that situation. If anybody is, now your relatives or somebody is in disappointment, don't suggest or don't make any suicide attempts like that. Because of that, so many members will be suffering. So if at all anybody is in very depression position, do call us. You can take our number. We are here to help anybody in any manner. Okay? And help your parents, serve your parents in their old age. And don't cheat anybody. Don't cheat anybody with your commitment, with your words, either but physically or mentally. And don't trouble anybody in by any means. Okay? So, be sincere with your words and work. And you have only 20 days to go for your annual examinations. 25th day you are going to write annual examinations. And from 2nd March onwards you will be having your government pre-final. I hope that everybody is preparing very seriously for that. And pre-final 1 also you got, of course, good marks, but not the very excellent marks. I hope pre-final 2 also will be attempted very excellently, and hope that 100% pass percentage will be there in Geetanjali higher branch, and many 10 by 10s and average will be very good. And I pray God and Almighty to give enormous amount of energy to read every minute, concentrate every minute towards your subject, and don't take it serious. If at all your teachers and myself, has scolded you, bet you, punished you very severely also, that is for your good sake only, because those are very affectionate, those are looking towards your good and progress, they will be definitely back of you and they'll be scolding you and setting you in a right track. Okay, that is for your good sake. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, be very serious in studies and make every minute useful and get good result, children. And those who get top mark, that is 10 by 10, they'll be awarded good prizes as well as we'll be calling you to the annual day and we'll be giving a best presentation. Okay, so at last I wish you all the best for your 10th class examination and in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving such a valuable speech to us.
Invite Mehak, student of Jain International School, icon student, to come and give a few words to the 10th class students. Welcome and give her a big applause.
Thank you so much, Rajlakshmi madam. You've been very supportive. First of all, I would like to thank everyone over here to give me such golden opportunity to speak few words.